Hello there, this is Deborah, and today I'm making some soap. I'm going to be using some patchouli essential oil. You know what they say about patchouli, you either love it or you hate it. It has that earthly musk smell to it. I love that smell from the 60s. I'm actually making two soaps today. They're both going to have patchouli in it, but one's going to have patchouli and peppermint. I love the combination. And I also have customers just like just patchouli, so I'm going to make two soaps today. Try to anyway. Okay, I'm going to be doing the heat transfer method. And what that means is you don't have to have your oils and butters and your lye solution at the same temperature. You can just go ahead and basically add your hot lye solution over into your butters and oils. Now I like doing it this way because I recently been master batching my oils, but I haven't been master batching my lyes because I just don't want to do that yet. So I just go ahead and have all my oils and butters already ready to go, and I just make my lye solution and pour it over into the oils and butters. Now I'm going to be using some Mad Micas today. I'm actually going to use a combination of 3 different ones to achieve the red that you see in the background there that I'm going to be using for that look for one set of the soaps. I'm going to have one just all the same color. I'm actually going to be adding some coconut milk. Can't talk here. Oh goodness. Okay, I hope everybody's having a great day today. This seems like it's going to be a good soap day for me today. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour my hot solution, lye solution, over into my butters and oils. I don't know if you can see the steam that's coming off of it. It's pretty hot. Now someone asked me before, do the soaps stay that hot? No, because if you want to swirl it, if it's too hot, it just does, it sets up too fast. It gets up to about 180, 190, but as you add your ingredients and you continue to stir to melt your oils and butters, it cools down to about 98 to 105, and that's perfect for swirling for me. Now the oils and butters will melt with the lye solution in about 5 to 7 minutes. I will be speeding this video up a little bit because it was kind of long and I have shortened it, but I will come back in and out of the video because I am making 2 soaps from the same batch. They're going to be different, so I hope you stick around to watch and see what I'm doing here today. Talk to you in a little bit. Well, I did lose my footage there on that one. So this is the first one. This is all patchouli, and I'm just going to put a few swirls in it, and I'm adding a little bit of the lighter batter here. So this is just going to have just pretty much a simple swirl, nothing real fancy or anything. Let's see. So I'm just going to swirl it just a little bit there. And I will add a little glitter, a little bling bling to it. And that's pretty much it going to be for this one. Okay, I have some really pretty shredded soap here that I'm going to add in for the second one. This is going to be my Confetti Patchouli soap. So we shall see how that goes. Now I have let the soap batter sit for a little bit, so hopefully I can get it to work out here. Let's see. I'm going to let's see. Nope, I need to get a spatula. I'm going to try to put this over without breaking through the soap. I think the soap's been sitting long enough that it won't break through. So I will just go ahead and add the first layer with the spatula here so it doesn't break through just in case. And then I should be able to add the rest on there. Hopefully this is going to be a pretty soap. It has a lot of pretty shredded soaps that made the confetti. So I think once it sets up, it's going to be really pretty. Okay. Okay, so you can see I have the red all made up. That is supposed to remind you of the peppermint. So we shall see how this works out. So actually I'm going to be piping the white and the red on top of the soap here. And I've let it set up a little while, so hopefully the batter is ready to go. So I have both colors in this piping bag, but it looks like only the red is coming out so far. I think I'm going to have to readjust the bag here if it's starting to try to come out a little white there, but I think it must be stuck in the bag. As you can see, I decided to just go ahead and just make it look candy cane and use a spoon to add it on. Now I put some glitter on this, but then I decided I wanted a little bit of sprinkles. So I have some green and white little sprinkles on here, and I really like this better. So, okay. Okay, it's been 24 hours, and I have the two soaps here. This is just all patchouli here, and it's pretty soft. Now I did use some sodium lactate to harden it up a bit, but it's just a little soft here. It's firm in other places, but it seemed like the corners are pretty soft. So I'm just going to cut this one kind of fast, and the swirls is not what I had hoped for, but I did use a darker mica, but as you can see, it just doesn't have enough contrast to it to pop it. But then again, my customers love patchouli so much that they will buy this soap, and I like it too, so it's okay. But I was really hoping for a really fantastic swirl there. So as you can see, I'm cutting it a little bit faster there because I have, like I said, two soaps here. This one, I got one decent swirl out of all of them. But it's okay. It smells awesome if you are a patchouli lover. Here I have the Patchouli Peppermint Confetti soap here. So it looks pretty, a lot prettier than what it looks like in the picture here. And it smells really good. It's not as strong as the all patchouli. You can smell the peppermint, but it smells really good. Okay, those colors really pop in here. I really wanted some colors, some soap confetti that would have a nice look to it, and I think this has really kicked it up there a bit. And it kind of looks kind of a Christmas soap. I will be using some of these soaps at a craft show that's coming up in December in Van Meter. So I've got a lot more products to make here, but I'm getting there. Okay, yeah. I really like the top. I love that Christmassy confetti look to it there, and I really like the confetti. Really popped it. And okay. Okay, we are at the end of the soap here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really like the results here. Okay, have an awesome and a blessed day. Bye now.